2026 Bentley Bentayga Speed. More power, more drama, and now, drift mode? Bentley isn't just turning up the volume for 2026, they're cranking it to 11. The already potent Bentayga is back in speed form, and this time it's swapping cylinders for even more savagery. Gone is the legendary W12. But don't mourn just yet. Bentley's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 has been re-engineered to unleash a jaw-dropping 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That makes this the most powerful Bentayga to ever wear the winged badge. Let that sink in. This V8 outmuscles the old W12. And it's not just about brute force. Bentley has laced the 2026 Bentayga Speed with a slew of upgrades, from fresh wheel designs to enhanced cabin details. But the headline grabber? A new drift mode that turns this ultra-luxe SUV into a tire-smoking, tail-happy rocket. Engage ESC Dynamic and Sport mode, and Bentley says you'll be carving corners with exhilarating drift angles and grin-inducing oversteer. Yes, really. Let's talk numbers. Bentley claims 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds, but based on past performance, we clocked the old W12 at 3.1 despite their 3.9 estimate, we think this new speed is hiding its true pace. Expect it to blast to 60 in as little as 2.8 to 3.0 seconds. That's hypercar speed from an SUV that weighs over 5,000 pounds. To keep that performance in check, Bentley offers giant carbon ceramic brakes tucked behind its first-ever 23-inch wheels. And the sound? A newly standard sport exhaust gives the V8 a deep, angry growl, while an optional Akrapovic titanium system dials the drama all the way up, complete with quad tailpipes and serious auditory attitude. Handling gets sharper too, thanks to 15% stiffer suspension in sport mode, four-wheel steering for tighter maneuvers, and torque vectoring to help the big beast dance through corners. This is not your typical luxury cruiser. It's a performance SUV with serious moves. Visually, the 2026 Bentayga Speed keeps it classy but aggressive. Dark-tinted headlights, smoked taillights, and speed badging add stealthy flair, while pinstripes around the lower body can be color-matched to the brakes for that bespoke Bentley touch. Inside, it's luxury all the way. Quilted leather, custom color accents, and speed logos stitched into the seats. As always, Bentley lets you tailor the cabin to your taste, making this one of the most refined ways to go very, very fast. We'll be getting behind the wheel of the 2026 Bentayga Speed soon, and yes, we'll be testing that drift mode for science.